Hello everyone, welcome back to our weekly market analysis video with me, Frankie, your market analyst at Markets4U. In today's video, we'll be looking at the key economic events and data releases from December 9th to December 13th, 2024. I've already set up my screen to display the economic calendar from the traders room at Markets4U. I've set the dates from December 9th to December 13th, covering this week's important events in GMT. Please remember to adjust to your respective time zones. Let's dive into this week's events. Monday, we don't have any high-impact events to focus on, so let's start to Tuesday. Tuesday brings the RBA interest rate decision, alongside Australian business confidence data and Japanese PPI figures. Wednesday features crucial US inflation data including CPI figures, followed by the Bank of Canada interest rate decision. Thursday is packed with several high-impact events including Australian employment data, SNB interest rate decision, and ECB interest rate decision and press conference. Japanese Tankan survey data will end the day. Friday concludes with UK GDP and industrial production data, along with Eurozone industrial production figures. This week's key market-moving events will be US inflation data on Wednesday and the central bank decisions from SNB and ECB on Thursday. These releases should create significant opportunities across major pairs. Now, let's go to the technical analysis. This week, we'll focus on Euro to US dollar and US dollar to Japanese yen, as both instruments are highly sensitive to US inflation data and central bank decisions. Let's start with Euro to US dollar. With US CPI data and ECB interest rate decision ahead, the pair typically shows increased volatility during such periods. Looking at the daily chart, Euro to US dollar has been in a clear downtrend, trading well below the 20-day moving average, the red line. Key levels to watch for Euro to US dollar are support at 1.0419 and 1.0329, meanwhile, resistance at 1.0658 and 1.0759. The price has been consolidating near recent lows, with the 20-day moving average acting as dynamic resistance. The stochastic oscillator is moving higher, suggesting we might see a potential bounce. The 1.0419 support level is crucial as Wednesday's US inflation data and Thursday's ECB decision could trigger significant movement. Now, let's turn to US dollar to Japanese yen. The pair faces an important week with US inflation data. On the daily chart, US dollar to Japanese yen has recently broken below the 20-day moving average after a strong decline from recent highs. Key levels to watch for US dollar to Japanese yen are support at 148.09 and 146.05, meanwhile, resistance at 151.53 and 153.69. The pair has been showing weakness after breaking below key support levels, with the 20-day moving average now acting as resistance. The stochastic oscillator is moving higher from oversold territory, suggesting potential for a bounce. The 148.09 support level has become particularly important as it could provide a bouncing point. Both pairs could see significant volatility this week. Traders should be particularly cautious during US inflation data on Wednesday and the ECB decision on Thursday, as these events can cause sudden spikes in volatility and potential gap risks. Remember, always manage your risk carefully and never invest more than you can afford to lose. That's it for this week's analysis. See you in the next video.